In today's lesson, we will study in functions call the difference between arguments passing by value and by reference. Basically, in function call, we can pass an argument in two ways. First method is arguments passing by values and second is arguments passing by reference. If we want to see the definition, it is when a parameter is passed by reference, the caller means the place from where the function is being called and the callee is the function which we are calling, use the same variable for the parameter. Same parameter is used in both. You can understand the difference like this. When the function will be called and the value of function will be updated, the effect will be on both points. Where the function is called, there the value will be updated and in the body of function also. The copy of original variable is made and is passed to function. After working on that copy, when it updates that, it only updates the value. There is no effect in the addresses. From the point where the function is called, on that point there will be no effect on the actual value of argument. When arguments will be passed with respect to reference, then on both points the value will be changed. We will check this with the help of a practical example. First, we will check this. Argument passing by value. This is a short program written in which there is a variable 10 which I have declared globally. We have created function in which I have given the name of the function and have done a few computations which we will analyze now. When the function will be called, we pass that variable as an argument. It will come at this point of funct at the time of function calling. Now here in next we have 10. First we printed out the first value. It will use only this actual value which has come at this point. If we update this value and change to 120, now when we will print out, it has changed the copy to 120. Now 120 will be printed out. But when outside this function we will call, it will always give us the actual globally declared value of 10. If we run this, then it will execute and gives A's value is 10. It printed out 10. Secondly, X value which was copy of A, we updated that. So we have got 120. But if I print out this variable outside the function, then what it is going to print? It has told us that outside the function, the value of A is 10. This is during function passing arguments by value. We have passed the function by value. We have strings, integers, floats. These are always passed by values. Secondly, if we perform the same work with respect to reference, what will happen in reference cases? In reference, lists and dictionaries are passed by reference, not by value. Now in place of A, we have declared a list. In this list, we have placed some elements. We made the same function and we placed the same things in the function. We updated on two indices, then we printed out the value. Now we will see what output it will show us. First, it has shown the value of A 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, which is the actual value. When we updated 0 and 1 index, 120 and 140 came and the rest is as it is. If I print out this outside the function, in this case it will print out the updated value 120 and 140. It means that at the point of function calling and inside function body on both points the effect is same when we pass the arguments by reference. By reference in actual, that list address, that indication point which is available in the memory, the reference which is passed to function and function after calculating next addresses, updates everything. One thing must be noticed here, the address which will be updated in function, both argument and parameter will be pointing at the same memory allocation, but both references will be different. They will be pointing updated on the other point also, it will be reflected back. This was passing argument by value and by reference.